Fred Williams XL Prime. This is a duplicate almost of the previous tutorial in Max where we were comparing or trying to find the max cost if it was available. Here we're just doing min. Hit F9, hit F9, hit F9 until you find a number. Just look for orange. Orange Jeep, no. Orange Ford, no. Orange BMW 74954 F9. And here we might have multiple matches. Pink Jeep. I'm trying to find dupes. Here we have black Jeep. We have only one black BMW. We have pink Ford. What do we have? Black Jeep. Nope. Orange Ford. Here, what happens? You're going to see how many orange Fords. It looks like there's only one. So that's not helping. I'm trying to find duplicates here. And just to show you the outcome. Orange Jeep. No, orange Jeep. We have white. I know you're saying, why don't you just stop this thing from rotating? Because this just makes it more interesting. Okay, the question is, what happens if you have dupes? And we're not checking region. We are just looking orange Rivian. We're looking for min. Well, found the min. Read it if you need it. This was just a takeoff. This should be a snap. And then MINIFS. You can add a MINIFS over here. Fred Williams, XL Prime.